Hello, how's it going? Look what I finally got. I'm pretty sure I'm the last person to receive my Color Play subscription box for December. It's supposed to be here Saturday, and it was just right there, but they didn't deliver it. So let's see what we have. All these colors. I took off my Cleo color and this nail broke after I got it off. I know it doesn't look right. We'll see what happens. Anyway, I'm excited to see what is in here. I got no spoilers, not even a tiny bit. I'm so glad. Excuse me. So glad for that. So let's get into it. Timeless Treasures, it's called. I'm going to put that off to the side. Got a little gift. This box kind of feels empty. We're getting spoiled with so many sets. Oh, that confetti stuff is just all. Oh, is this four sets? Okay. Good. I finally got everything out. Goodness. Yep. But it's 4 full sets, it looks like. So, let's see. Ready? Crown Jewels is a glitter. Oh. Well, that's really pretty. You see all those colors of glitter in there? Take this off. Green, aqua, fuchsia. That's pretty. Does that have a color shift? I don't know, but maybe it's just my lighting. That's super gorgeous if you like glitter. All right. Ooh, chocolate opal. Another glitter. It says chocolate. It kind of has like a reddish to it, I feel like, with the glitters. Okay. Another glitter. Floral Tiara design glitter. This kind of reminds me of the box. Little. Reminds me of something we had in another subscription box. Not totally, but just kind of similar. I guess that's pretty. I don't know what I would do with this. I wouldn't want to wear it all with that design because that's not how I am. Maybe a mixed Manny with those two. No. Okay. Oh my gosh, another glitter. Seriously. London Topaz. And it's a green aqua. Or a green. Oh, it has a blue shift to it, maybe? I think I see a blue shift. Huh. Okay, I'm not over the top excited about this. It's okay. I don't know. Let's see what this says. There's the little samples or examples that they give. You can share it. Timeless Treasures. Adorn your nails with this multicolored jewel-esque glitter that sparkles From Every Angle, Classic Teal Glitter, London Topaz, Chocolate Opal, Boysenberry with chunky holographic glitter has been passed down through generations, and Floral Tiara. Add a touch of botanical beauty to your nails with this champagne glitter and multicolored floral design. I don't know. I'm glad I don't have more than one, for sure. I'm just not, and they had, I think Color Street had where you could order more of this, but then the shipping. Here's another one of these boxes. The boxes are really pretty. If I can get this open. What is it? Excuse me. Oh, it's little hair barrettes. Those are pretty if you wear... Oh, gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm glad I didn't pull harder. They're attached on there. Yeah, but it should open still, right? Yeah. Holy cow. Okay. Oh, they're not even the same. One's pearly and one's like diamondy. That's this one. There we go. Sheesh. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to say about, I mean, it's not something I wear. Gosh, if you mess up your hair trying to get them in there. Ay. Goodness. Okay, well, there you have it. December's Timeless Treasures. I just thought it was going to be more either like a more, I don't know, holiday. I know not everybody, celebrates Christmas for it to be a Christmas or even a New Year's type subscription box. I don't know. It's okay. Yeah. I don't know. I don't have a whole lot to say. Guess those are moved up a little. Oh no. Okay. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, what your opinion of it is, and if you got it or not, what you think. I'm just kind of, that's all. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Ciao.